In today's video, I will show you how to make a car selling website in Wix. So first, you just have to simply go to wix.com and you have to make sure that you have signed up or created an account. So basically, in order for you to create an account here on Wix, you need to have a valid email address, password, and you must have your Google account. So once you have signed up, this is what it looks like. And this is Wix dashboard. And you have here create new site and create new folder. So since I have created a few sites right here, if I want to edit something, if I want to edit my site, I just have to click the select and edit site right here. Now, since our tutorial is how to make a car rental website, then what you're going to do here, what we're going to do here is you have to click this create new site, tap this one. It will take you directly to the page where you need to start with this. So create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. So this one is good for those people who wanted to start a website as agency or freelancer. And you can see the following here: responsive editor, customizable animations, collaborative workspace. And you have two options below, as you can see, try Wix Studio or create on Wix Studio. So, as a beginner, I strongly recommend this Create on Wix editor because the features on this site right here, this editor right here, is more on easy, or it's like easier compared to Wix Studio. The features here are advanced, and as a beginner, I think it's kind of hard for you to proceed if you tap this one, but it's still okay if you want to try this. So this time, let's choose this one, create on Wix editor. Now you will see this bring your ideas to life with AI. So if you want to just, add or paste some prompts, if you're good at creating prompts, you can ask AI to start chat and then build a good template for you, exactly what you want with the prompt that you put or enter. But as a beginner, again, I strongly suggest to set up without chat to avoid confusion. So click the second option right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see this. What type of website do you want to create? So here you will see the samples like online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology, company, restaurant, event. So, if you want to start a car rental website, you have to search for car. So you can choose this car rental company, car service. Okay, so since this one is our tutorial, the first one here. So you're going to pick this one and then tap continue. So wait as your dashboard is now preparing. Then you will see this start setting up your store. Give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. And don't worry, you can just basically change or edit this one later. So this is the name of my car rental website, Velocity Rentals. Now tap continue. So do you already have an online store? No, I'm just starting out. Yes, I'm already selling online, of course. You're going to click the first one here and then tap continue. Okay, so what kind of products are you selling? So let's just say you are selling physical products like inside your car rental company. You also sell other products like, wheels or shirts or other supplies there. So you have to click this one. If you also sell a digital product, you have to click this one right here. Also for drop shipping, if you do print on demands services, of course. If you are also, offer services like seminars or any other classes or appointments, you have to click this one also and then tap continue. So how are you offering your products? Online store, in person. Okay, so let's just skip this part right here. So first and second, and then tap continue. So you are all set. Head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. Continue to dashboard. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my Velocity Rentals dashboard. Let me tap access time. because they wanted you to upgrade or try to use Wix Studio. So you can try it out or tap X. Now this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to set up your store. Here on this dashboard right here, you can basically set up your payment option. So if you tap this getting paid, you have this option like connect and set up, pay links, invoices, price codes, proposals, POS, checkout. So if you want to add your payment method, for example, if you want to add PayPal as your payment method, bank account, and bank cards or whatsoever, you just have to set up right here. So booking calendar, if you also want to set up booking list or work schedule, you could just go to this side right here and then set up your booking calendar. Sales, if you want to set up orders, gift card sales, if you want to add, for example, if you want to create something like discount cards, or let's just say other things that your customers can get their discounts, or let's just say rewards. So you can just basically set up right here catalog. If you want to add your product, if you want to add booking services, if you want to add gift cards, okay, sales channels and booking channels, just go to catalog. If you want to add application to your website, to your car rental website to be exact, then basically you can add application right here. For example, if you want to add payment method using third-party application, then you can try these apps right here. Site and mobile application, inbox, customer leads, marketing, analytics, automations, but we can skip this part right here. So I just want to tell you that whatever you set up here will not affect other website. So it's like independent website. So whatever you set up on your Velocity Rentals, it will not affect your OnTheStore website, your other website right here, Rent Now website, Therapy website. It will not affect. So you can just basically add whatever you want to add here or set up here. It will not affect other websites. So it's just like Velocity Rentals alone. So to start with our main point today, let's just tap this design site right here. How would you like to design your website? So generate a design with AI, which I said earlier. You can ask AI to help you, but as a beginner, you can tap this pick a template, which I strongly recommend. Continue with setup for now. It's like you can design your own, but it takes so much time. So you have to click the second one here. Now it's time to pick the website template you love. So as we need car rental company templates, these are the following templates that Wix offers. So this is the one with the best match right here. This one also best match, but actually everything is up to you. Now, if you upgrade your plan on Wix, then there will be more templates about car rental company. But since we're just using the basic version, of course, we have to choose from any of this right here. So I think the best one for me is, okay, let's just try this one right here. So if you want to edit or just view details, you can tap this one to make sure that you want to try this template or not. Okay, so if you like this, then what you're going to do here is just click this, edit this site. So tap edit this site right here. Okay, so this is where we're going to edit our car rental website. It's now adding checkout and orders. So as you can see, I'm using the 50% of the site right here, the view. You can just simply click this plus right here to see the full view of your car rental template. So you can see here, enhance your AI content. You can generate text right here, but for this time, I don't want to use AI. So tap X right here. And as you can see, this is where you're going to edit everything. So this is like your first page, okay? And here is the second. So I will be showing you an easy way on how to edit everything here. Actually, I strongly, if you don't want the picture, or if you want to change something, like just this part right here, I strongly suggest you try Canva. So if you like something here on Canva, like if you want the design of Canva and you can't find it here on Wix editor, you can just basically look for that. So for example, car rentals. And what if, let's just say you like this design, for example, this one right here, and you can't find it or this design on Wix. So what you're going to do is just click this one, okay, and then edit or add that image, your company image, and then add it right here. So I have changed, sorry, so you can just basically change this one like Velocity Rentals, okay, okay, and then change the image. So let's just say this is your car. I mean, this is your company car, for example. Okay. So I'm just going to edit a little bit. So that's it. Now, once you're done with this one, then you can just basically tap share and then download. Download. Go back to Wix, go to Element, Image, Upload Image. So if you really want to change the background, then tap Change Background here. Okay, tap Image. Okay, Upload from Media or Get from Wix. Tap this one, Change Background, and here it is. Okay, so you can just basically change or drag this one right here. So to add more on elements, just click this one if you want to add buttons, strip, decorative, backs, gallery, contact and forms, and so on. Now, if you want to change something from each of the feature or option right here, you just have to double click and you will see this quick edit or edit text. And then if you want to add something like, let's just say you want to add contact, okay? Contact, so you have to click contact right here. So let's just try this one. Okay, and here it is. So here you can change the contact, your address. You can add the address right here, your contact number, company's contact number, and opening hours. Also, if you want to add map, you can just basically add. If you want to add another section, and this time you want to add your car services, just click services. Okay, tap from any of this here. Click this one. So here it is. So I'm going to show you sample of service name. So here are the sample, for example, rental packages, additional services, booking and manage, booking and management systems. And you can just basically change the image right here by adding from Wix library or adding from your computer if you have, or adding a picture that you have created using Canva. So basically that's it. If you want to add more, just click this one right here and then add more section like subscribe or testimonial. So other option here is like optional. So this is really the main way of how to create your car website using Wix. So once done, you can tap review or you can tap publish right away. So here is the preview. Okay, so why book with us? Okay, and then you will also see here your services, like what I've added earlier, and contact us, and then your map, your location. So once you're okay with that, then what you're going to do is just click publish. And if you want to edit or add more, just go to back to editor. And it's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.